I'll be showing how to use the LCD module. Usually the LCD module comes in this way with many pins. In this case you have to connect all the pins to the digital pins of the Arduino board, and the programming becomes also difficult. So there is a solution for this. While purchasing an LCD screen, you have to go with the module which has the I2C interface module. In this you have to just connect 4 pins, and also the programming becomes easy by using the library. The product link I will provide in the description box, you can check out there. For this you need an Arduino board and cable, 16x2 LCD module with I2C interface, and some jumper wires. This is how it looks, and at the back side we have a I2C interface board which works on I2C protocol. Using this protocol you need not to connect multiple pins. The data can be transmitted through the single pin. That pin is called SDA, which we have to connect A4 of the Arduino board. The SCL pin is connected to A5 of the Arduino. The 5V and ground is usually connected to 5V and ground of the Arduino board. So that's it, the connection. Using this pot you can vary the brightness of your LCD module. Now moving on to the program, we need 2 libraries to be installed. One is liquid crystal underscore I2C.h and other one is wire.h. For installing libraries, guys, you can check out my old video. I have completely shown you the steps there. You can get it in the I button. After installing those libraries, these are the initial lines which you need to compulsorily include in every program if you are using LCD. So I'll also provide the link for this code in the description box. I'll just directly go to the loop section from where we need to write the program for printing. Always first we need to set the cursor at where we need to print. For that there is a function. So if you consider this LCD, it's called as 16x2 LCD because it has 2 rows, and in each row you can print up to 16 characters. So first you have to set the cursor from where you want to print. For that there is a function called lcd.setCursor, and here C is capital. Inside the parenthesis you have to mention 2 parameters. The first parameter will indicate from which point you will be printing the value. So if you give it as 0, it starts from first character. The 16 characters is referred from 0 to 15. So 0 means first character, 1 is the second character. So first I'll take it as 0. And the second parameter always indicates the row. These values will be always 0 or 1. If you give it as 0, it will print in the first row, and if it is 1, then the same will print in the second row. So I'll show you all the things practically. So I'm giving it as 0, 0. So we have the cursor at the starting position. Next is the data which we need to print on the screen. So lcd.print, and we have to take double quotes, and inside this the data which we need to print. So I am giving it as T, and it also ends with semicolon. So if you upload this, so as you can see, it's in the first character, since we have given 0 here, and it's in the first row because we have also given 0 here. So now we'll change it to third position. So instead of 0, I need to take it as 2. It means it will print in the first row and third character. Yeah, it's in the third character. So if you want it at the 16th character, then we have to give it as 15. As you can see here, it's at the last character. So this is for the first row. Now I'll keep the character count as 15, but we'll move it to second row. So instead of 0, I'll make it as 1. Now it should print exactly at the same position but in the second row. Yeah, it's in the second row but at the 15th character. So this is how we print the text. So to print at both the lines, so in the first line we'll print some sentence. So this is for the first line starting from first character. So this data will be in the first line. So I'll just upload once. Yeah, this is at the first line. So now we are done with the first line. Next we have to again set the cursor, lcd.set cursor, starting from first character but second row, so 1. Now we'll print another text here. Yeah, we have both the lines with text. So this is how you print the text in the LCD. In my further video, I'll be showing how to print the value. So stay tuned for further tutorials.